minutes for that. And so let's just talk a little about the reopening first. Whenever the schools reopen, just start preparing yourself mentally that if schools are going to open, that you will have to face the society again. For people like me who have been enjoying seclusion for so long, it's time for us to suffer in the real world again. And be excited, but at the same time, since you have been lagging behind, I am sure a lot of you must be lagging behind in a lot of things. ये पढ़ा नहीं, ये लिखा नहीं, ये काम नहीं करा, कोई बात नहीं, जब जागो तब सवेरा, मेक इट योर मॉर्निंग, स्टार्ट वर्किंग, क्योंकि जैसे ही स्कूल्स खुलेंगे द फर्स्ट थिंग आई विल डू विल बी टेकिंग योर टेस्ट्स. You will need to appear for those tests, and it will be good if you prepare for it well. It will lead to you being confident, and that is the most important thing. I hope I'm being clear, because if it takes one more month, then one more month we will be done with the whole course. तो फिर तो तुम ये समझो कि अगस्त से लेके जब तक एग्जाम नहीं होती तब तक तुम्हारा फाइनल एग्जामिनेशन लेवल का असेसमेंट चलता रहेगा थोड़े थोड़े पार्ट्स में. तो जितना जो पाप करे हैं बेटा वो पाप धो लिए जाएं, अब काम कर लिया जाए. कोई भी प्रॉब्लम है आप उनको निकाल के रखिए. जस्ट स्टार्ट रीडिंग द बुक अगेन एंड अगेन. आई एम पुटिंग एन एम्फेसिस, रीड द बुक. Whatever you cannot understand, if it is a concept, if it is a word, let me know. If I don't know, I will find it out for you, but you'll have to ask. थोड़ा सा सिंसियर हो जाएं, क्योंकि काम बहुत तेजी से चल रहा है एंड इट माइट बी डिफिकल्ट फॉर यू टू अंडरस्टैंड अ फ्यू वर्ड्स इन हिस्ट्री because the English might get a little bit typical at places. But as you can see, I can do my best for you, but you will have to ask. तो अगर अभी तक किसी को कुछ प्रॉब्लम है, कुछ इशू है तो पूछ लो, नहीं तो हम जो थोड़ी सी फॉर्मेलिटी है उसे भी खत्म करते हैं और फिर रिकैप करना शुरू कर देंगे. Anybody, if you have anything to speak, just write something in the chat box. I will hand over the control to you. So Nazi propaganda की जब हम बात कर रहे हैं, so what did Nazis do? That they started propagating that whatever they are doing is for the best of the nation. They are doing it in the interest of the nation, and since they were doing it in the interest of the nation and the nation was in turmoil, so people accepted it readily. फर्स्ट ही स्टार्टेड ईयर मार्किंग पीपल. ईयर मार्किंग मतलब उनको अलग से मार्क करना शुरू कर दिया. द ज्यूज, दैट दिस पर्सन इज अ ज्यू, दैट पर्सन हैज टू वेयर अ पर्टिकुलर मार्क सेइंग दैट इट इज अ ज्यू, दैट दिस पर्सन इज अ ज्यू. धीरे धीरे उनको जो है उनके लॉजिंग से हटा के क्रैम्ड प्लेसेस में भेजना शुरू कर दिया, विच वर नोन एज घेटो. भाई उनको बिजनेस करने की आजादी नहीं रही. देयर mode of livelihood was taken away. They were put into ruthless conditions, and after that they were like that we will take them and rehabilitate them. Where? In the concentration camps. For concentration camps also there were many propaganda videos that Jews are very happy there and everybody who goes to concentration camp is actually living a better life. A lot of German people did not even know that mass killing of people are happening in the concentration camps. उन लोगों ने सिस्टमैटिकली अप्रोच करा जो नफरत भरने का काम होता है अगेंस्ट अ पर्टिकुलर क्लास ऑफ पीपल. दैट वाज हैपनिंग इन नाजी जर्मनी. Now when these Nazi crimes, they mostly came out after the World War. It is a very well known fact that Hitler committed suicide when he came to know that he is losing the war, because he was afraid of being held accountable for what he has done. So he, his supposed wife, and the higher officials, they committed suicide, and there were Nuremberg trials held. आपने अगर चैप्टर पढ़ा होगा तो शुरुआत न्यूरेमबर्ग ट्रायल्स से होती है. Those were the trials that were held for the war criminals of Germany. for people who have committed crimes in the times of war, and they were also known as Nuremberg trials. Sorry, I keep on slipping. Let's see how the Nazi propaganda worked, and what, and people, you know what they did, even in the concentration camps, they tried their best to leave some kind of records. There was a diary of Anne Frank, who was a 14-year old girl. She wrote about her experiences. She escaped Germany. She was a Jewish girl. She escaped. She and her family escaped, and she described her life, the fear that the family was facing, and the changes to life they had to adapt. They had to be hidden, and then also somebody betrayed them, and they were taken to a concentration camp, and the whole family died. Only her father remained alive, and later he published her work, The Diary of Anne Frank. If you get any time, just look up at the topics that she has discussed. It will gut wrench you, because you are not much older than she is, and the kind of life and the kind of fear they were living in. That speaks about the length that how wrong a democratically elected government can go. लोगों का सपोर्ट हो उस टाइम पर भी गवर्नमेंट कितनी बुरी हो सकती है. Let's just look at the propaganda that the Nazis used.
The Nazis used media and language very carefully to win support for their regime and popularize its worldview. Nazi ideas were spread through visual images, films, radio, posters, catchy slogans, and leaflets. The Nazis worked on the minds of the people and tapped their emotions carefully so as to turn their hatred and anger towards those that the Nazis considered undesirable. They made equal efforts to appeal to the different sections of the population, including laborers, women, and even families. The speech given by Hitler at the Nuremberg rally in September of 1934 is a good example to show how they appealed to the masses. They sought to win the support of the people by suggesting that Nazis alone could solve all their problems. Propaganda films were made to create hatred for Jews. The most infamous film was The Eternal Jew. Orthodox Jews were stereotyped and mocked. Jews were portrayed as rich money hoarders who committed crimes to get money. They even put the blame of the First World War on the Jews. The Nazis referred to the Jews as vermin, rats and pests, and they compared their movements to those of rodents. The Nazis coined special terms to describe their activities. These terms were not only deceptive, but they had a chilling undertone. They never used the words kill or murder in their official communications, and they used different terms for different people. For example, mass killings were termed as special treatment, but when referring to Jews, it was called the final solution. While referring to the mass killing of the disabled, it was termed euthanasia. Some other words for mass killing were selection and disinfections. They used the term evacuation when deporting people to gas chambers. and gas chambers themselves were called disinfection areas. Hitler was a powerful speaker who understood the significance of rituals and spectacle in mass mobilization. Nazis held massive rallies and public meetings to demonstrate the support for Hitler and instill a sense of unity among the people. Red banners with the swastika, the Nazi salute, and the ritualized rounds of applause after the speeches were all part of this spectacle of power. His passion and his words moved people. He promised to build a strong nation, undo the injustice of the Versailles Treaty, and restore the dignity of the German people. He promised to weed out all foreign influences and resist all foreign conspiracies against Germany. Nazi propaganda skillfully projected Hitler as a messiah, a savior, as someone who had arrived to deliver people from their distress. It is an image that captured the imagination of a people whose sense of dignity and pride had been shattered and who were living in a time of acute economic and political crisis. The Nazis diverted the hatred
The Diary of a Young Girl, also known as The Diary of Anne Frank, is a book made on her writings in her diary while she and her family were in hiding for 2 years to save themselves from the Nazis. It tells us of the unimaginable atrocities committed against the Jews and others under Hitler's regime. Accounts of people's sufferings during the Holocaust or the Nazi killing operations can be found in different memoirs, fiction, documentaries, poetry, memorials, and museums. Instances are available which talk of Jews who were desperate to survive these brutalities, just to tell the world of their sufferings. Information about the Holocaust spread across the world only after the war ended and Germany was defeated. The Nazi leadership tried to burn all the evidence about their brutal acts after their defeat in the Second World War. Yet those who had suffered wanted the world to know what had happened under Nazi Germany. The sheer cruelty towards the Jews makes one wonder as to how do the common people in Germany feel about it. As Hitler rose to power, Germans were still nursing their wounds from World War I and the humiliation of the Treaty of Versailles. This led many Germans to agree with the Nazi view of the world. Many Germans hated the Jews and felt angry when they looked at them. They marked the houses of Jews and were quick to report anybody who they suspected to be a Jew. This was all done with the belief that Nazism would bring in prosperity and well-being for the Germans. There were some Germans who were anti-Nazism and organized protests and resistance against the Nazis. They had to face police oppression and even death for their disagreement. On the other hand, there was a large population of Germans who were passive onlookers and apathetic in their reaction to the organized crime against people. This reaction seems to stem from deep fear of the Nazis. We know about the atrocities suffered by the Jews and the fear and terror they must have lived under. But how do they feel about themselves? The Nazis not only inflicted physical torture, but also mental and psychological extremities on the Jews. As a result, the Jews themselves began to believe all the things that the Nazis propagated about them. Charlotte Beradt, in her book Third Reach of Dreams, tells about the horrors experienced by the Jews as expressed in their dreams. They dreamt about their hooked noses, black hair and eyes. Jewish looks and body movements took on different connotations in their dreams. Their dreams were haunted by the images of themselves as publicized by the Nazis in the press. Although death was certain for Jews in the horrific gas chambers, yet many died much before reaching them because of the psychological torture. Effects of Nazism lasted till much after Hitler's death and end of World War II. Who were the worst sufferers of the Nazi crimes? Select the correct option.
So, any views, anything you wish to say, anything that comes out of your heart about this? Anyone? Yes, Nakul. Over to
Ma'am,
you.
what is the meaning of Varman?
The meaning of
Varman.
vermin, VERMIN,
Yes, ma'am.
छोटे छोटे कीड़े मकोड़े, वर्मिन एंड पेस्ट्स, जिनकी कोई वैल्यू नहीं होती. यस पूजित.
Ma'am, which war happened first, the World War or the mass killing of Jews?
Bit of World War One happened, then Hitler got into power, captured the German hearts, and then during the Second World War, all these things were happening. ये जो genocide है, mass killing है, atrocities against the Jews. Anybody, anything else? Yes, Nakul.
Ma'am, why Hitler always go against the Jews?
We had a discussion about this, that nobody is clear that why only Jews. But ऐसा था कि एक उसको विलन बनाना था स्टोरी का. He found that and he targeted all the anger towards the people that were living there. अब वो कैसे लोग हो गए, क्योंकि भाई ऐसा था, उन लोगों ने इस चीज को भी इनके ऊपर डाल दिया कि इन्हीं की वजह से हम लोग वर्ल्ड वॉर हारे. उसके मन में भी ये बात थी, उसने लोगों के मन में भी ये बात डाल दी, एंड स्लोली इट बिकेम अ प्रोपेगेंडा दैट दीज आर द पीपल रिस्पॉन्सिबल, बिकॉज ऑफ देम वी लॉस्ट. क्योंकि इन लोगों ने अपना फायदा देखा, दे वर मनी लेंडर्स. और दूसरी जो हम लोगों ने पहले एक बार बात करी थी, अगर आप याद करिए, दैट क्रिश्चियंस हैड बीन एनिमस टुवर्ड्स ज्यूज फॉर थाउजेंड्स ऑफ इयर्स ऑलरेडी. हमारे क्या है कि ज्यूइश लोग ज्यादा है नहीं. इनफैक्ट आई हैव नेवर सीन एनीबडी हु फॉलो ज्यूइश रिलीजन इन इंडिया. तो इसलिए we cannot differentiate between them and Christians. But in Europe and the other countries, you can clearly differentiate between Jews and Christians. I'll just show you traditional Jewish dress. You must have seen that if you follow any kind of a foreign serial and everything. Just 1 second. This is the kind of dresses they wear, the traditional ones. Women are also supposed to dress up in a traditional manner. See, it's a very, if I'll say in a nutshell, it is a very old kind of religion. Jews have been around for more than 3000 years or something. उनके customs बहुत अलग हैं. They are very orthodox, I must say. They do not really move forward with times, and the main thing is about making money. Money lenders, basically they are basically money lenders. अब ऐसा है कि a lot of people still ask this question that why only Jews. One student wrote this amazing story which is absolutely untrue. उसका जो मैं तुम्हें point of view बताती हूँ, I will not take names. He wrote that in an exam. He had the guts to write that in an exam, that Hitler's mother had cancer and her doctor was Jew, and because she died of that doctor, Hitler hated Jews. And other than that, he also wrote that Hitler had a teacher who was Jew, and the teacher used to beat him a lot, and that is why he hated Jews. And just some made up reasons that people try to believe in. See, every politician works on fear and power. His power was asserted on this fact that he wanted to do ethnic cleansing. Ethnic cleansing मतलब एक तरीके के लोग या एक रिलीजन को फॉलो करने वाले लोगों को रास्ते से हटाओ, क्लीनिंग करो, इनकी डिसइंफेक्ट करो हमारी कंट्री को. अब इसको तुम ना अपनी कंट्री पे एप्लीकेबल करके देखो. आई डू नॉट नीड टू गो वेरी फार. देयर आर मेनी इंस्टेंसेस जहां पर हम लोग प्राउडली कह नहीं सकते that such things happen in a uniform country or unity in diversity country like India. There are separatist people here. There are people who who think that people who do not believe certain ideology should not be a part of the country. ऐसे डिबेट्स और ऐसी फालतू की बातें कई जगह होती रहती हैं. दिस इज व्हाई वी नीड टू लर्न दिस फ्रॉम हिस्ट्री, दैट इफ यू आर गोइंग टू मार्जिनलाइज, जो हम लोगों ने पिछले साल 2 चैप्टर पढ़े होंगे तुमने, अंडरस्टैंडिंग मार्जिनलाइजेशन और कन्फ्रंटिंग मार्जिनलाइजेशन. अगर आप किसी को भी मार्जिनलाइज करेंगे, दैट विल नॉट बी गुड फॉर द कंट्री, द सोसाइटी, द कल्चर और पीपल इन जनरल. If masses are marginalized, it leads to the destruction of your own country. Look what Germans did to themselves. They destroyed their country. First World War हारे, चलो ठीक है, लेकिन उसके बाद they invited the Second World War. Why? Because the pride was hurt. Just think on your own level. Was it necessary? Was it justifiable? और ऐसा नहीं है कि जो गलत काम हुए वो नाजी साइड से हुए. अगेन द हिस्ट्री इज रिटन बाय विनर्स. एलाइज ने भी कोई कम पाप नहीं करे थे, लेकिन दोज डिड नॉट गेट हाईलाइटेड बिकॉज द नाजीज डिड थिंग्स इन अ वे वर्स मैनर. इट वाज एक्सट्रीमली बैड. आई मीन hundreds of thousands of people dying just because a person wanted to eradicate or clean his society of a particular religion. मतलब इंसान से ज्यादा कीमत तो गाजर मूली की हो गई थी इस जर्मनी में. So is there anything else you wish to ask, or simply if you want to express your opinion about what happened, why this happened, and how you feel about it? See, memorizing facts is not as important as understanding and analyzing those facts. क्योंकि जब हम आंसर लिखते हैं ना, तो हम मेमोराइज करके नहीं लिखना चाहते. हम ये लिखना चाहते हैं दैट I felt this thing about that. और जो आप फील कर रहे हो अगर वो सिंक में है from what the chapter wants you to understand, that you do not even need to look at your notebooks to memorize these answers which will come in front of you. So if anybody has any questions please ask, otherwise Nazism भी खत्म हो गया यहाँ पे आज. If you have a question just write any random letter in the chat box. I will hand over the microphone to you. Okay, if that is the case, then we... Okay, yes, Ratika, ask.
Ma'am, why did the Nazis wanted only a society of pure and healthy Nordic Aryans?
Because they believed in the survival of the fittest. They thought that only the pure and Nordic Aryans are capable enough of leading Germany. देखो अभी आज के सोसाइटी में ना इस चीज का उतना सेंस बनता हुआ हमें दिखता नहीं है कि भाई इंसान तो इंसान होता है, लेकिन उनका ये मानना था दैट नॉर्डिक आर्यंस आर ट्रेडिशनली नोन फॉर देयर टफ टफ वेलबींग. आप ये हमारी जो इंडियन सोसाइटी है वी आर ऑल्सो पार्ट आर्यंस. जो वैदिक कल्चर में लोग आए थे इट इज सेड दैट दे वर ऑल्सो आर्यंस. आर्यवर्त नाम था पहले इंडिया का. वी आर ऑल्सो डिसेंडेंट्स ऑफ द आर्यंस. पर क्या है कि एक पर्टिकुलर चीज पर एम्फेसिस दे देना कि ये तो बिल्कुल बेस्ट ही है और यही होना चाहिए. ही वांटेड टू प्रोपोगेट अ काइंड ऑफ सोसाइटी. अच्छा तुम ये सोचो कि अगर मान लो हमारी सोसाइटी में हम ये बोलने लग जाएं दैट एवरीबडी हु हैज ब्लू आईज इज बेटर देन एवरीबडी एल्स, तो जो ब्लू आईज वाले हैं उन्हें तो बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. दे विल बी लाइक कि हाँ चलो हमें तो अच्छी फुटेज मिल रही है. एंड व्हाट अबाउट एवरीबडी एल्स, क्या वो लोग सेकंड क्लास सिटीजन्स हो गए? दिस इज व्हाट हिटलर वाज ट्राइंग टू डू, ट्राइंग टू कैप्चर द मार्केट. कैसे मार्केट कैप्चर करना है कि कुछ लोगों को ऐसा फील कराओ दैट यू आर बेटर देन एवरीबडी एल्स. पॉलिटिक्स खेलना कहते हैं इसको. यही तो जो है राजनीति होती है कि एक को दूसरे के अगेंस्ट खड़ा कर दो और एक का सपोर्ट मिल जाएगा, दूसरे को आप ऐसी कंसंट्रेशन कैंप में ले जाके मार रहे हो एंड जस्ट क्रिएट अ सोसाइटी ऑफ योर ओन. भाई हिटलर वांटेड टू विन. हिटलर डिड नॉट थिंक दैट ही विल लूज द वॉर. एंड देयर वर टाइम्स that everybody was scared क्योंकि Germans did so well in terms of technological inventions during these world wars. इतनी जमाने भर के इन लोगों ने आर्टिलरी आर्मरी और ये सारी चीजें डेवलप कर दी थी. पीपल वर एक्चुअली स्कैर्ड. इन केस यू डू नॉट नो, आइंस्टाइन वाज ऑफ जर्मन ओरिजिन एंड ही वाज आस्क्ड to make a nuclear bomb, but he did not do that. Instead, he helped America build that. जीते कैसे सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर? They bombed Hiroshima and Nagasaki. सब डर गए कि यार ये लोग ऐसा डिस्ट्रक्शन मचा सकते हैं, कहीं भी कुछ भी हो सकता है. We should better stop fighting. That was one of the reasons. नहीं तो जापान इतने हिचकोले खाया जा रहा था. पर्ल हार्बर जहां पर अमेरिका की फ्लीट आराम से बैठी हुई है, they were not even participating in the world war, but they went ahead and provoked them anyway. कि तुम कैसे बाहर बैठे हो, आओ आओ हमारे साथ खेलो. So that is why they bombed Japan and nothing else. They could not bomb the mainland continental Europe क्योंकि वहां का डिस्ट्रक्शन उनसे बर्दाश्त नहीं होता. They decided that हम तो जापान पर ही बॉम्ब गिराएंगे. It is the only instance in the history that nuclear bombs have been used. और सोचो उसके बाद भी लोग कितना डरते हैं. The reason, उसके बाद जो है treaties have been signed कि अब कोई न्यूक्लियर टेस्ट परफॉर्म नहीं करेगा, अब कोई न्यूक्लियर बॉम्ब नहीं बनाएगा. बिकॉज if nuclear wars start, the whole humankind will suffer. अगर दो कंट्रीज में भी न्यूक्लियर वॉर हो गया ना तो समझो कि अच्छी खासी पॉपुलेशन की ऐसी तैसी हो जाएगी. बिकॉज द न्यूक्लियर बॉम्ब्स दे डू नॉट अफेक्ट दैट एरिया पर्टिकुलर, दे अफेक्ट द एरिया सराउंडिंग देम ऑल्सो. जनरेशन के जनरेशन बर्बाद होते हैं. जो उस रेडिएशन के बाद भी जो के बाद जो children who will be born, they will also suffer from those radiation sicknesses. Wars are brutal, and for winning that you need to have some kind of political leverage. Uska political leverage ye tha that you are better than others, so help me, support me. Is there anything else? If there is, just read out the chapter, find the terms, the concepts that you cannot understand, and we can discuss them in the next class. और नहीं तो फिर हम next class में कुछ आपको questions देंगे and you will find those answers and do your work. Again and again I'm emphasizing on you बेटा, क्योंकि जब मैं टेस्ट लूंगी मुझे बहुत दुख होगा. I'll be very upset if you come out blank in test. So don't do that to both of us. Start studying, start having problems, because those who study only they have problem. जो आराम से बैठे रहते हैं उन्हें कभी कोई problem नहीं होती. So that will be all for today's class. Thank you and Sai Ram.